Picture says 1,000 words. I don't know what words to use to describe this car. Incredible, absolutely stunning. Just look at it for yourself. That mirror finish black, the big chrome wheels, the red striped tires, the white interior. This thing is an absolute jaw-dropping, stunning, beautiful car. This is going to turn heads and get attention. It's a 71 Chevelle. Body was taken off. The frame was flipped on a rotisserie. The underneath is gloss black. So it's all restored. Uh, Rebuilt big block engine under the hood, automatic, air conditioning, all that good stuff. Go to volocars.com. We have over 200 cars in inventory. Each car will have a price tag and a monthly payment attached to it, including this one. And you'll also find all the information, pictures, videos, financing at volocars.com. There's a QR code on the screen. You can scan it. It'll bring you directly to this car. There's also a link in the description that'll do the same. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Killer. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. So the body is literally amazingly straight. Absolutely mirror finish straight. The hood lines up spot on. It's got the raised hood. Absolutely straight. Mirror finish. You could read the fine print in our sales contract in the reflection. All absolutely glossy, straight. The gaps are right on. The door opens effortlessly. The jambs are slick as the outside. Shuts with a nice solid thunk. Quarter panels pristine, even behind the tire. It's a mirror. All of this absolutely straight, beautiful tuxedo black. The stripes, the SS stripes are painted on correctly. They're smooth to the touch. Again, all the gaps square and precise and the way they should be. Look at right behind the tire here. The molding fits the body real nice and snug. The rocker is a nice clean line. That is flush and square. The jambs are slick. It even has billets, the little vent in there, and the striker is polished. Shuts like new. So the body and paint, fit and finish is excellent. Being black though, you have to keep your rag and wipe it. I went around this whole car. Now as it's spinning, I see a few little handprints. But anyway, beautiful. It looks like all the chrome and trim was replaced. The hood pins, the bezels, the marker lights, the bumper, the grill, all looks fresh. They've integrated a front spoiler down there. It gives it a nice muscle look. The moldings, emblems, mirrors, all replaced. All the trim around the windows, that's all very good. I don't know if it's brand new. Actually, this looks new. Trim around the rear window looks good, but not new. The window seals, weather strips, all replaced. The vinyl top looks like it was replaced. The windows are tinted. I left them down because I like the white interior, but there'll be pictures of the windows up on our website. The lenses, the rear bumper, all that was replaced, all looking really sharp. The wheels, big chrome American racing wheels. I don't have the size on the tire because they're custom cut Redlines into a performance tire, but it looks like they're 18s in front, 20s in back. The back's definitely bigger than the front, so it gives it that nice stance. And again, the Redline performance tires just brings it all together. I love it. Let's open it up and I'll show you more. I gotta say it again, my hat's off to the painter of this car. So even under the trunk lid is all slick and glossy. Look at the jam. It looks like it's been buffed. The weather strip is replaced. The stripes come into the jam real nice and neatly. Clean metal. They say it's a California car with original metal, and this looks dry and nice. Spatter painted. The battery's been relocated to the trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, jambs are slick. Bottom of the doors are clean. Weather strips fit real nicely. Complete new interior. That white door panel is as fresh as can be. And the armrest, the window cranks, the door handles, all of that was replaced. All new dash. There's a white dash pad. The whole instrument panel's replaced. All the little chrome trim is real nice. And the vents. Let me light up the gauges for you real quickly. Nice modern gauges, analog and digital. I light up red, match the tires. Updated with a retro stereo. There's 6x9 speakers in back. This is a vintage air control. They're electric slides instead of the old cables. So that's nice as well. All this is nice and clean inside the glove box. The light works. The knobs look fresh. The carpet's real nice and it fits very nicely. It's not all wrinkled up. Got nice mats. All new center console. The seats have been recushioned, reupholstered. Again, this is fresh. The headrests look like they've been replaced. The trim around the seats looks fresh. The rear seats upholstered, side armrests, side panels, ashtrays, window cranks, all replaced. The rear mesh shelf is excellent. Nice, crisp white headliner. Dome light works. Matching visors, new mirror. Beautiful billet specialty steering wheel on a tilt column. So we got the vintage in here still going on, and you got some modern upgrades. Just makes for a cool looking, comfortable interior. So the motor is completely rebuilt. So it's a 1971 396 motor. It's actually a correct motor for this car. Big block. It's been bored 30 over. It has a high-rise aluminum intake that's been painted Chevy orange. It's an Edelbrock. Dual feed Holley carburetor. HEI ignition back there. These spark plug wires, they look like they're heater hoses. There are some fat plug wires. Coated headers. And the engine bay is painted nicely. You got the stapled in dust shields. The front of the motor here, we got a chrome cover. Looks like it's a little age, a little pitting on the chrome. New horns, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. And then we got a billet front runner system, billet brackets, serpentine pulleys, billet timing chain cover. There's a polished AC compressor down here, polished alternator. And then we got power steering, dressed up with some nice tall aluminum valve covers. Power brakes, wiper motors replaced. It's got the billet hinges that I love so much. Michael's going to show you how well this 396 big block runs. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Not a joke. Really fresh feeling all the way around. Front end feels fresh, seats feel fresh, and she's only showing 6.7 miles on the odometer, so it all makes sense. Great sounding exhaust note. So far so good with all the upgrades to the front end. Steering's very precise. Let's see what she's got. Absolutely what I needed this morning. Up to 60 miles an hour, just like that. Went through all the gears real nice. Automatic trans and power steering, very easy to use. And I really like the gauges too. Good upgrade, easy to read. They'll see you coming and they'll hear you coming. What a great ride. Very nice driving experience. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come on, take it for a spin. You're always welcome here at the museum.
What year?
71.
70? I thought it was 69. That's close.
Yes, sir. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So as I said earlier, the body was taken off the frame. It was flipped on a rotisserie. All clean, beautiful metal floors. They are so nice, they painted them gloss black, like what you see on top. The suspension's been completely rebuilt. Up front is all big fat tubular control arms, big fat sway bar, new shocks, new springs, all new steering components, ball joints. Everything is fresh up front. Same thing in the back, has upgraded control arms, new springs, shocks, bushings, and a sway bar. Nice custom stainless steel exhaust. The X pipe, it's all welded, has Flowmaster mufflers. The brake system's been completely replaced. It has discs at all 4 of the wheels. New e-brake assembly, new brake lines and hoses. New fuel system, the tank, the lines. You look up at the motor, it has an extra capacity anodized oil pan and a high torque starter. It's a turbo 400 automatic trans with a Hughes aluminum finned extra capacity pan. That finned aluminum pan helps keep the fluid a little cooler as well. Rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a 12-bolt rear end. So again, just a striking car. I can't imagine a more striking car than this. I even wondered to myself, why don't you see more black and whites? This looks so good. It's like a no-brainer. Like, why didn't I thought of this sooner? Go to volocars.com if you want the hottest looking Chevelle around. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how to get it delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.